Let's see this case where this 9.5 years old male boy had a fall and broke his upper right front central incisor. He had no pain or sensitivity for the past 7 days when the tooth broke. So the case needed a conservative treatment, models with wax up and a putty index for the palatal shell. So after our rubber dam isolation, we have this putty index for the palatal shell. We tried to copy the mamelons in the shape, and now we will do layering step by step, dentines for the most of the tooth and enamel top layer and some colors. This is how the tooth looks immediately after finishing. It is rehydrated. Now it is back to its original color, and how it looks from the palatal aspect as well. So patient is now very happy to smile, and he has gotten his confidence back. And this is the summary of the case. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.